To practice the new vocabularies that we have learned inside the class, you can use the application called Flashcards World. The advantage of this application, that is, the functions that we need are free. Also, you can use on Windows, Android, and iOS. Just create an account with this application in Windows, and you can open this with the same account either in Android or iOS. Inside of class, when we are learning a new vocabulary, you can go create a card and go to there and start creating, for example, a new word. You can edit and you can add, for example, a new word. For example, waladun. In Arabic, it's a boy. In English, it's a boy. And later, you save it. After, you go to practice. So, for example, here it appears waladun. You can listen.
Waladun.
And okay, it's boy. So, when you answer correct, you can say that's easy. Below, you can find the bottom easy. You make easy and it's okay. You pass to the next card, or even it's difficult, you can say repeat. After inserting the words inside of this application, you can find with the same account those words on your phone, application your phone. So you can practice even outside the computer.